Hi everyone, Thea here, and today we're gonna talk about how to earn easy money with digital marketing. And lahat ng isi-share ko sa inyo, na-try ko na because for the past 3 years, I've been in the digital marketing space. As in, ito na talaga yung bread and butter namin. And alam mo yun, initially, I started earning as little as around 10 to 15,000 pesos to now earning 6 figures a month. And isi-share ko rin sa inyo kung magkano ba yung pwede nyong kitain in every digital marketing idea na pwedeng pagkakitaan. Basta yun, gets yun na yun. Yeah, I'm gonna share how much yung pwede yung kitain because once again, I'm gonna share you based on my experience as a digital marketing expert, okay? So number one, first way to earn easy money in digital marketing is to get a digital marketing job. Let's say wala kang experience, you don't know kung paano ba to nag-work, saan yung pasikot-sikot, but you want to learn, okay? So sabihin natin, first, matuto ka, get courses on how to get that job. And digital marketing jobs, i-share ko na ano yung pinaka-common na digital marketing jobs is number 1, social media marketing. Number 2, branding. Pwede mong gawin yan sa company, yung nagde-design ng logo, yung brand strategy, paano i-execute. Number 3, video marketing, which is here on YouTube. O kaya TikTok, ganon. 4, local marketing, wherein you are helping local businesses out, either organic or paid man yan. 5, email marketing. 6, web analytics and reporting. So, pwede mo siyang pag-aralan. I mean, ang daming videos dyan sa YouTube na pwede mong start and you can easily get clients. Ang dami either in Upwork, pwede rin sa onlinejobs.ph, pwede rin sa Fiverr. Sign up there. And for sure, ang daming open digital marketing jobs, even in Facebook groups. Ang dami. Okay? So, just join ka sa mga ganon and find a job. Hopefully, makakuha ka, especially if you don't have any experience. But what if you are just a creative? Gusto mo lang gumawa ng videos, gusto mo lang gumawa ng pictures, you can apply to be a YouTube partner. So that's number 2. You can apply to be a YouTube partner. This is video marketing. And ano bang requirements ni YouTube? You only need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. So once na-achieve mo na yon, pwede ka mag-apply at pag pinayagan ka ni YouTube, pwede ka na maglagay ng ads sa videos mo, okay? And number 3, let's say, ayaw mo mag-YouTube. You can actually become an influencer and promote brands. Trust me, may mga clients akong ginagawa ito na isa sa main source of income nila is influencer marketing na nagpro-promote sila ng brands, binabayaran sila. And I actually have this one client who makes at least $1,000 a month. Pinay siya ha, Pinay, pero binabayaran siya $1,000 a month kasi mga 5 to 8 collaborations yun. Minsan pag swinerte, umaabot siya ng $3,000, $5,000 a month. Okay? And when it comes to brand collaborations, yung may nagbabayad talaga na 5,000 pesos for a post, it all depends naman kung gaano ka kalaki. Pag micro-influencer ka, 5,000, around 1,000 to 5,000 followers, enough na yun for you to promote a product and you can test yung rates mo kung ano bang kakagatin ng brand. So what I usually do sa client ko is gumagawa ako ng pitch, and after that pitch, nagsisend ako ng email to brands na, okay, this is the influencer, ito yung ginagawa niya, ito yung content niya, ito yung number of followers niya, ito yung engagement niya, and pag nagustuhan siya ng brand, doon na sila magbabayad, and doon na ipapadala yung product, okay? So that's one form of marketing. It's called influencer marketing, and pwede rin if you have a big following on TikTok, pag may nagre-reach out na brands, it's either bibigyan ka nila ng product or pwede ka mag-propose na paid yung post mo. So, kailangan magbayad sila bago mo sila i-post. Okay? I swear, even yung mga companies that I work with, yung mga e-commerce companies, they willingly pay just for influencers to feature them. Kasi you have this certain audience na pwede mong i-promote eh. And, you know, if you're really passionate about what you do, about kung ano man yung niche mo as an influencer, go do it. Kasi may pera sa pagiging influencer. Trust me. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. So, let's say, hindi ka naman masyado influencer or sort of influencer, but you have an audience listening to you. You can actually sell products. Tapos, pag nakabenta ka, you will get commissions from this. And even ako before, I was in the beauty niche. Tapos, I did affiliate marketing for beauty brands. Sa bawat nabebenta kong product, I actually get as little as 1% and as high as 20% per product na nabebenta ko using my affiliate link. So, ayun, that's one way. And na-experience ko rin before, I sold a course. Tapos, isa akong affiliate. Tapos, yun yung pinakamataas. Ang sarap ng affiliate program na yun kasi 20% of the program mapupunta sa affiliate. Tapos, magkano yung program nun? 10,000 pesos. Eh, nakabenta ako ng marami. So, I think nakabenta ako to around 20 people. So, just do the math. 2,000 pesos times 20 people. Yun yung kinita ko within that month because I just promoted. Yun, nagpo-post na ako sa Facebook kung gaano kaganda tong program na to, kung gaano kaganda yung produkto na to. And people bought it using my own affiliate link and I get a percentage of the sale. Yun, so if ever you have this audience, ako kasi yung audience ko are freelancers, digital marketers, so I can easily sell them programs, courses, or mga desk items na ginagamit ko, mga keyboard, mga computer. Ayun, I can be an affiliate for that, yung mga work items because yun yung audience ko. So, ikaw, isipin mo sino audience mo and what product can you sell using your affiliate link. Okay? Number 4 is the main thing that I do. You can work as a social media marketer. And ito, I really teach this. Meron akong previous video on how to start social media marketing and how to find your initial clients. Hanapin nyo na lang sa YouTube ko. So, when it comes to social media marketing kasi, malawak yung scope. Pwede mo siyang gawin organically wherein you are promoting a business through organic channels, through free channels, meaning yung internet. Ano ba nakikita dyan? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Or, pwede rin siyang paid, wherein you are handling paid advertising. Hinahandle mo yung ad budget ng company. Hinahandle mo yung visuals. And dapat, itong visuals na hinahandle mo, papatok siya sa audience na tina-target mo. So, pwede yun gawin mo. And, kung in-explain ko pa to, hahaba. Just go to my video called Beginner Step by Step How to Start Social Media Marketing. Andun na lahat. And yung kinikita dito, initially when I started, yung first pay ko sa first client ko, that client paid me $350 a month. And since I do this freelance, meaning I can take in as many clients as I can, as I want, my highest paying client was around $2,000. Yun. Kaso pag sakto lang, nasa 1,000. Yun. Right now, nasa $1,000 to $2,000 na yung sinacharge ko as a social media marketing. And that's per client ha. So imagine mo na lang if you have 4 clients, kaya mo i-manage yun. Do the math. 4 clients times maybe $1,000. Yun yung pwede mong kitain as a social media marketer. And hindi lang naman to nag-apply ako, kinuha ako. In order to be a social media marketer, inaral ko talaga yung system. And after studying how it works, in-apply ko na siya. I've been practicing this for 3 years. Tapos, while practicing it, I was also building my network while building my portfolio. And kay may mga network ako na ibang lahi, ang dami kong friends na Americans in the business space, lalo sa e-commerce space. Kasi, nagne-network talaga ako kasi malay ko, kailangan nila ako, pwede sila maging client ko. So, ganon, fina-friends ko silang lahat. Just for the money. And ayun, like, I'm really passionate about helping brands grow with social media marketing. And ang saya kasi pag yumayaman sila dahil sa'yo, dahil sa marketing strategy na ginagawa mo, it's really fulfilling for me. Next, so let's say, experience ka na. You know how digital marketing works. Alam mo na yung pasikot-sikot, skilled ka na. Pwede mo tong gawin. You can sell consulting services to companies. May experience ka na, diba? Alam mo na kung paano gagawin gawin to. There are actually companies who are willing to pay just to consult with an expert. Nako, I experienced this na it was supposed to be a discovery call, pero that prospect was willing to pay me dollars yun na, 100 Canadian dollars after the call. So parang thank you na lang. And doon ko na-realize na, uy, pwede pala akong bayaran as a consultant. And I also experienced taga-Indonesia. Nagbayad sa akin na 2,000, ano ba yung pera nila sa Indonesia? Basta 2,000 Indonesian dollars. Basta yon 2,000. Tapos, it's 1 hour of consulting. Ayun. So, same na rin. If ever expert ka sa areas of digital marketing, tapos mataas yung demand for services, it includes kung expert ka sa social media marketing, sa branding, video marketing, influencer marketing, email marketing, website, creating a website, SEO. Pwede ka maging consultant just as long as you are knowledgeable about what I do. And ito, paano ba ako? Actually, never ako nag-reach out to brands for them to consult. Sila yung lumalapit sa akin, tapos nagko-consult sa akin. And I tell them that, okay, it's paid. Ano budget mo? Then they tell me, ito budget ko, all good na. So, paano ko ba nagawa to? Na people pay me for consulting. So, number one, when I was practicing social media marketing, meaning I was doing it for multiple clients, nagpo-post ako lagi sa social media pages ko. I had this Facebook page. And I also have this Instagram account. Pinopost ko lang lahat ng marketing tips, lahat ng natututunan ko doon. Ayun. And from there, nagne-network talaga ako eh. From Facebook groups to Clubhouse. And saan pa ba ako nagne-network? Actually, oo, yun lang. Facebook groups, sobrang active ako. Whenever people are asking a question about marketing, nire-replyan ko and they come to me for consulting stuff. Same with Clubhouse. If ever I get the chance to speak, I go on stage and, talk about what I know. And I guess doon siya nabuo from building my network, na establishing myself as an authority in a certain niche, showing my expertise in my social media channels. And ayun, lumalapit sila. I think it's mainly because of content marketing. But if ever you want to pitch your services to businesses, you can reach out to companies. Meaning, mag-cold email ka lang na, "Hi company, I'm Thea. I found your product na ganito and I think it's really good. By the way, I'm Thea. I do social media marketing for brands and I help them scale by increasing their sales to 20% using organic strategies in social media. I was wondering if you're open for a quick consultation if ever you need help in your business." And if they say yes, edi good. Sabihin mo na pwede ka maglagay ng amount dun sa book a call. Actually, I use Calendly. May paid version nun. And yung paid version, there is an option na kailangan ng tao magbayad sa'yo before booking a call. You can put an amount there and wala. Pwede na mag-book a call tapos bayad agad. So that way, talagang, alam mo yon, special yung hours mo. Yon. And meron din kasing consulting pero sa company talaga, as in corporate, wherein ikaw yung magiging consultant ng buong malaking company, tapos you're gonna train their employees. Ayun, I haven't experienced it, pero I saw people here in the Philippines charging as high as 100,000 per consultation, tapos ititrain rin nila yung employees of that company. Yun, nakita ko siya, pero hindi ko pa ina-apply. I saw it sa one person that I idolize. Ayoko mag-name drop. Pero yun, nakita ko siya, and pwede nyo rin gawin yun. Haven't done it, pero balitaan nyo kapag nagawa nyo. Next, and I think this is my last tip. Let's say, knowledgeable ka na, may experience ka na, you know how things work, and you have something to share the world. Alam mo ba, pwede mo pagkakitaan yung mga trade secrets mo, yung mga nalalaman mo. And you can do this by creating and selling your own digital products. Let's say, creative ka, magaling kang gumawa ng graphics. You can actually sell Photoshop templates or Canva templates. Ilagay mo sa website, pwede rin sa creative market, pwede rin sa Fiverr, pwede rin sa Facebook nga lang sabihin mo, I'm selling these templates. It costs for ganito. Buy it. But much better if you have a website, so that way, parang madali na siyang i-distribute and i-market and madali siyang i-automate and you can build a sales funnel out of it. So yun, if ever you have this idea in mind, create and sell your digital products. So, ano ba yung examples ng digital products? Pwede siya yun na, yung mga templates. Pwede nga email templates. Pwede rin yung graphic design templates. Pwede rin yung courses. It can be nakasulat lang, written, or pwede rin siyang video courses. Pwede rin ebooks. Pwede rin, let's say, this is your trade secret. Ilalagay mo siya sa ebook. Yun, isulat mo siya and you can distribute it. You can sell it. And ako, this is something that I plan to do in the future, yung ebook. Kasi I created an ebook last year. Tapos, if I check my list, nasa 5,000 na yung kumuha nun. Pero it's totally free. Sabi ko, paano kaya pag pinagkakitaan ko yun, no? Kahit $1 na, kahit 50 pesos lang. Sipin mo, 50 pesos times 5,000 people. Do the math, no? Parang dami ko na sanang kinita. And, you know, knowing that I've established my brand, it's like, ang taas kasi ng opportunity na aware ako na na-establish ko na yung brand ko and I can sell what I know. I can share my expertise. And, you know, nakakatuwa lang knowing that you can do it. So, pwede mo siyang gawin. Once again, pwedeng templates, pwedeng courses, ebooks, kung ano man digital product na yung isip mo, go do it. Whatever your expertise is, i-document mo, write it down, take a video, create a membership program out of it. I even know, isang Facebook group lang siya, tapos punong-puno ng information, and they sell a membership doon every month. Just because sobrang valuable ng information na binibigay nila sa Facebook group na yun. So, membership program. Pwede rin siya. Ayun. So, I guess that's it. Yun talaga yung proven ways on how to earn easy money with digital marketing. Once again, na-experience ko na to lahat. Very open naman ako pag sinabi ko na hindi ko pa to na-experience. Never pa akong kumita dyan. Hindi ko siya i-recommend. Pero itong mga shinare ko, na-experience ko ng kumita ng pera dito. And it's fun. Basta invest in learning. If you really have that heart of helping businesses grow online, kasi nga digital, diba? Pag talagang passionate ka, aralin mo talaga and later on, madidiscover mo na pwede mo siyang ibenta and you can help so many businesses doing this. Hindi nila iisipin na baratin ka kasi ang taas ng value ng marketing sa business. It's like, ikaw marketing, bahala kang mag-increase ng sales. Diba? Idea mo yun, strategy mo na yun. So, alam mo yun, bakit kita babaratin kung tinutulungan mo kung yumaman? So, if ever, you know, you have time, you want to do this, go do it, I support you, aralin mo, and later on, I swear, baka magawa mo na lahat ng tips na nasabi ko sa'yo kasi it's really fulfilling, it's reward. And I guess that's it for my video today. I appreciate you for watching. Once again, do not forget to subscribe, click that subscribe button below, and follow me talaga, subscribe na, follow me, subscribe for more marketing tips with Thea. Bye-bye!